Let's go. Another one.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Peace Parish in central Louisiana, Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, northeastern Newton County in southeastern Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams.